Today, I'll be reviewing the film on the Panthers. Episode like about 25 kilometers on the polls on my YouTube channel. Okay, rebuilding team is the Carolina Panthers. I'm gonna bring promise and glory to the within 5 seasons. Mention my name in a second. Okay, let me get receiver Debo Samuel. Samuel. Alright, good. Quarterback Josh Allen. Running back James Cook from the Bills. Another receiver Addison from the Vikings. Tight end and give me the linebacker. Yeah. Oh, he's expensive, but I could get Drake Greenlaw at a solid price. Would this save me some for D-back? No, it won't. So kicker. I'll be. All right. Skip tutorial. We're gonna do this. So this will be the next 2 games. Trust me. Believe it. Right. Well, 14-6. 23. 20-6. 26 steps. First game. I'm gonna play the fans. We're gonna build a great relationship with the fans. Since I'm the owner of the Panthers. No more Dave 10. I will mom Sam. Just as how. Alright, Chargers, here we are. Post the better defense. Here we go. Better off. After production seconds. Million or 200. Every in the set. 14 zip game. 17 zip. 20 zip. 34 zip shutouts against the Los Angeles Chargers. We ditch the shutouts. This one is gonna be on the fans. Without the fans, we would suck. Addison gets an upgrade on speed. Now, still first. So, you know what? We're gonna play 2 more games, and then I'll call it an episode. At the Raiders. Damn, 10-0. 14-17. 19-24. I'm coming into the lineup. Oh, I'm gonna be QB. 16 zip. 16 yards. My bad. Let's go. Going for 2 cents. I don't have a kicker. You will bullet to Debo Samuel. The 2-point conversion achievements. I don't have kick returner yet, but you'll have to bear with me. That's bad. We got the timeout. In the 50-yard pass. Nice. 20 seconds. Let's see how they fare. 2 point. Good. We're up by 1. Game over. We win. Race fans. It's the 1-2 Bengals. 46. 17-6. 24-12. 31-19 final. Game over. Each episode, we were going to play 4 games each until the playoffs. Of this team trending in the right direction. First place, thirsty so far behind the Bears, who are 4-0. 49ers, of course, are going to be 4-0. Okay, we're going to praise team. We get to upgrade James Cook. Just catching. 4.5 star. Like 1 or 2 more upgrades, we'll have 5-star off the next episode. So see our next episode. We'll be playing the 4-0 Bears and a 1-3 Falcons, as well as the Commanders, who are we'll be playing the Commanders, who are 1-3, and the Broncos, who are 1-3. We'll be playing one undefeated opponent and 3 1-3 teams in the Atlanta Falcons, Denver Broncos, and Washington Commanders. Week 6 through 8 will be the 1-3 opponents. Week 5 would be the Chicago Bears, who are 4-0 somehow. Because Eberflus knows how to win on game, but not in real life when it matters the most. He chokes a lot. So I'll see y'all tomorrow on another episode, or next time on another episode. Stay tuned for another poll voting, and deuces.